Hello, everyone. This is a 5-minute preview of the Business Owners Policy video. If you get what you need from the preview, great. If not, please log on to my website and purchase the full 32-minute video. Thank you for watching, and here it goes. Hello, everyone. I'm Rebecca, the insurance lady, and this video is about business owner's policy. So a business owner's policy, also known as a BOP, is typically used for smaller business insuring smaller risks. A commercial package policy, known as a CPP, is a different type of policy that insures larger risks. There are certain qualifications that need to be met in order to insure under a BOP because it is meant for smaller companies. In this video, I'm going to go over those qualifications and describe the details of a business owner's policy. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand a BOP so that you could become more familiar when you're studying for your exam and trying to memorize the structure and what's covered. So in this video, I'm going to start off with the business owner's policy requirements and what types of businesses are eligible. Then I'll go over the types of risks that are not eligible. After that, common policy conditions, property insurance coverage and exclusions, general liability coverage and exclusions, additional coverage and coverage extensions, and last but not least, endorsements. So there is a certain eligibility that has to be met in order to qualify for a business owner's policy. Keep in mind, insurance companies tend to have their own set of requirements. However, there is a handful of common requirements that you're likely to see on most business owners' policies. Generally, the square footage of a space the company has cannot exceed 35,000 square feet in total floor area. The annual gross sales of a company cannot exceed 6 million a year. Now that can vary. Apartment buildings of any size are eligible for coverage, as well as the business owner's business personal property that's located in eligible apartment buildings are also eligible. Office buildings, including office condos used primarily as an office, are eligible if they do not exceed 6 stories high or have more than 100 square feet in total floor area. Although there is also coverage for storage buildings or other business buildings, the majority of the operations must be located on premises. Contractors are also eligible for a business owner's policy if their annual payroll does not exceed $300,000, they do not work at a height greater than 3 stories, and their sales related to installation, repair, or services do not exceed 25% of their gross sales. So restaurants are eligible for a BOP, so are convenience stores, gas stations, grocery stores, and self-storage facilities. There are some stipulations being that it's for a smaller business. There is a limited seating requirement of up to 75 people in restaurants. However, casual and fast food restaurants with the seating capacity of no more than 150 can be eligible if they have more than 7,500 square feet. Convenience stores, gas stations, and grocery stores are eligible, with the exception that they cannot have an auto service or repair service. They cannot have a car wash, no kerosene or propane tank filling operations, and if they sell gas, they must have a minimum of 3,000 square feet. So some of the types of risks that are not eligible for a business owner's policy are bars and pubs, storage units that provide storage to vehicles, including campers and recreational vehicles outside. Large contractors are not eligible for a BOP, and buildings that are used for manufacturing. These type of risks are just higher risks that would tend to be covered on a commercial package policy. Hey guys, I hope this helps. In the remaining part of this video, I go over common policy conditions, property and liability coverages, and exclusions, additional coverages and coverage extensions, as well as endorsements. I'll leave a link below for those of you who are interested in more. I do want to thank you all for viewing my video. Please subscribe and like, and much success to you. I'm Rebecca, your insurance lady.